How to use Temu app. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So Temu app is basically an e-commerce application which is easily available in Play Store and Apple Store for free. Simply head over to your Play Store and then search for Temu. This is the app you'd be looking for, and then install it. If you want, get the latest version of the application. Then launch the application. After that, you will have to set up your profile using your Gmail ID, and then you can now choose several items and purchase it. You just have to tap on the item, then go to add to cart, then go to cart and then tap on checkout. Simply enter all the shipping details and save it. Make a payment and you will be done. So that's how you use Temu app. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.